Function overloading means giving additional meaning to existing functions. A function exhibits different behavior in different instances is known as function overloading. For example, the function draw can be used to draw lines, circles and various shapes. The only difference is if we need to draw a line, we need the starting point x-axis, y-axis and the ending point y-axis, x-axis. If we need to draw a circle, we need xy axis as center point and a radius value. So in function overloading, same function name is used to perform different actions. If same function name used, then how the compiler decides which function to be invoked when calling. In this diagram, we can see 4 functions with the same name display of, but the difference between them is the argument of those functions. First function display of has no arguments. Second one has one argument I of integer type. Third function display of f has one argument of float type. Fourth function has two arguments of float and integer type. If display of called without argument, then the function definition without arguments will be invoked. If function called with an argument of integer type, then the function definition of display with one argument of integer type, that is display of int x, will be invoked, and so on. Here is the example. In the example, IOStream header file for basic input output operations, that is cin and cout. IOmanip.h header file for input output manipulation operations like setw and endl. Then coney.h for console input output related operations like clear the screen, that is clr ser. After these three add functions after these three add of functions declared with a different return types and different types of and a number of arguments. This function declaration is called function prototyping. First function returns integer and two arguments of integer type. Second function returns integer type and has three arguments of integer type. Third function returns float type and has two arguments of one integer and one float. Then it is followed by function definition. First function returns addition of two integer values. Second function returns addition of three integer values. Third function returns addition of one floating value and one integer value, returns the answer in floating value. In main function, three add functions are called with the two arguments, with the two integer arguments, with the three integer arguments and one integer and one float arguments respectively. Based on the number of and type of arguments, functions called appropriately. Thank you.